What if I told you that you could go from a blank idea to a fully animated, voiced-over YouTube short without touching a single frame of animation software? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today, using one master prompt that runs the entire production for you. I've built a complete workflow that takes you from "I have no idea what to make" all the way to a finished, edited Stickman video. It handles the story, the images, the animation, the voiceover, and even tells you how to put it all together. All you're doing is copying, pasting, and picking the options you like. Let's jump in. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. The first thing you need is the master prompt for the interactive Stickman video generator. This single prompt walks you through every stage of production, choosing your topic, building out the story, generating your images, animating them, creating the voiceover, and planning the final edit. I'll drop this prompt in the description so you can grab it and use it yourself. Copy the whole thing, open ChatGPT, and paste it in. The moment you send it, ChatGPT takes over and starts asking you questions. First, it'll ask what type of video you want to make. You can pick from a list of categories or type in your own topic. For this example, I'm going with business. Next, it asks for the mood. I'll choose motivational. Then it asks for the format. I'll go with YouTube Short. And finally, the length. I'm setting this one at 30 seconds. Based on those 4 answers, ChatGPT generates 10 video ideas on the spot. I'm picking idea number 2, why more people never start their business dream. Once you lock in an idea, ChatGPT builds out a full story plan, a quick overview of what the video is about and how it unfolds. If anything feels off, just tell ChatGPT what to change and it'll rework the story right there. Once you're happy with it, move on. Now, ChatGPT generates everything you actually need to produce the video, broken into clear sections. Part 1 is the story structure, a scene-by-scene breakdown of the whole video. You'll lean on this heavily later when it's time to edit. Part 2 is the base character prompt. This is what keeps your main character looking consistent across every scene. Use it first to generate a reference image so you know exactly what your character looks like before you start creating the rest. Part 3 is the scene-by-scene image prompts, what you'll use to generate every individual image in the video. Right below that are the motion prompts, which take those static images and turn them into animated clips. After that, you've got your voiceover script, on-screen text, sound effects, and background music. And at the very end, a checklist so nothing slips through the cracks. At this point, you have everything you need. Let's start building. Head to the scene-by-scene image prompts and copy the prompt for scene 1. Open Google Flow and start a new project. Once it loads, select the image model. Since we're making a YouTube short, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate 2 images per prompt. Having 2 options gives you room to pick whichever fits the story better. Paste in your scene 1 prompt and generate. You'll get your first 2 images. Repeat this for every scene. Copy the prompt, paste it in, generate. Once you've gone through all of them, review your results and keep the best version of each. Delete the rest. Now you've got your full set of images ready to animate. Time to bring them to life. Click the 3-dot menu on an image and select Animate. Flow will default to a start frame and end frame setup. We don't want that here. Head into the video settings and switch the frame option to gradient. Leave everything else as is. Back in your master prompt, open the motion prompts section and copy the one for scene 1. Paste it into Flow's animation prompt field and generate. That's it. Your first static image is now a moving clip. Repeat the same steps for every remaining scene. Copy the motion prompt, paste it in, generate. Once you've animated everything, preview your clips and pick the versions you want to keep. Before you touch an editor, you want your clips in the right order, especially if you're working with a lot of scenes. Click the three-dot menu again and select Add to Scenes. This opens the Scene Builder. Choose Series 2 and add your first clip. To add the next one, hit the plus icon and select it from the list of clips Flow has generated for your project. Work through your scenes in order from first to last. Once everything's arranged, download the sequence. This step saves you a headache later. Instead of untangling clip order inside your editor, everything arrives already in place. With your scenes animated and sequenced, it's time for the voiceover. I'm using 11 Labs. Its free plan gives you enough monthly credits to comfortably handle short-form content, especially when you're just starting out. Go back to your master prompt and copy all the voiceover lines for every scene at once, rather than generating them one at a time. Doing it all together keeps the voice, tone, and delivery consistent across the whole video. Paste the full script into 11 Labs and generate. If the first voice doesn't land, try another. It takes seconds to regenerate. Once you find one that fits the tone of your video, hit download and save it to your computer. Now you've got everything: animated scenes and a finished voiceover. Time to bring it together. I'm using CapCut for this. It's beginner-friendly and makes the whole process fast. Start a new project, import your animated clips, and drop your voiceover onto the timeline. You'll likely notice your video runs longer than the narration, so trim each scene down to match. Listen closely and use your scene-by-scene breakdown as a guide. Work through every scene this way until the visuals line up with the voiceover. Play the whole thing back. Check that the pacing and transitions feel right, and once you're happy with it, export. And that's a complete AI-generated Stickman video.
Everyone has a dream business idea, but many people never start. They get trapped by fear, doubt, and endless thinking. They wait for the perfect time, perfect plan.
Story, images, animation, voiceover, and edit, all done without touching an animation tool. The best part? Almost this entire workflow runs on free or free tier tools. You don't need animation experience, you just need an idea, and this process turns it into a finished video step by step. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and content workflows like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.